Hey guys, here we go for Too Tall Toby's Model Monday Live, June 17. I'm recording this, I don't know how many hours later, but it's in the next 24 hours. We'll try and match our time to the timestamps in the chat to see how we compare. So let's roll a video and let's give it a go.
At turning a 2D print into a 3D model. So here we go. This first challenge begins in 3, 2, 1, go. What is the mass of this part in XXXX grams? The tolerance for this part is plus or minus 1 gram. The unit system is mmgs. The material is 1060 aluminum alloy. The density is 2,700 kilograms per cubic meter. So if you're here for the first time, what most people do is they take a screen capture of this screen, maybe make YouTube full screen, grab a screen capture, use print screen in Windows, or use Snagit, or use MW Snap, or use whatever program you prefer to use to grab screen captures. But take a screen capture of this print, because the live stream is going to keep moving.
This looks suspiciously like a part from the pulley project.
So you can work as efficiently as possible. And your goal is to try to come up with the mass of this part. This is a great song for modeling.
Yeah, mate. Let's go. Love this model.
Oh, yeah. So grab a screen capture, because we are going to move on with today's presentation. But
really nice model.
Most of the people who have been here before, that's what they do. They'll grab a screen capture and they'll use that screen capture. I really like this model. I really like the screen.
Yeah.
Got a lot
awesome
of
model.
dimensioning of the arc. I think that's kind of a cool skill to learn. All right. I hope that was enough time. We are going to go back to our presentation here today because we got a lot to talk about today.
Cool, Toby.
Cartagena is here. What's up, my man? Welcome. We're getting started with
26.
Time has come. One of our fastest runners, Ricardo Jean, in the chat. Welcome. All right, guys, don't forget to support this.
Am I doing too much in one?
This type of content,
maybe.
Whether you're just here watching or whether you're competing against the chat pros.
Let's take that out. Take that out.
Looks like you got
15.
30 people watching, 33. Nice number. And it looks like we got 10 likes. Let's see what we can do to get that ratio to 1-to-1. Number of people watching the same as the number of likes. And of course, we want to continue growing that number. The competition gets more and more fun as we get more and more people involved. So
Sure does.
growing that number by sharing and resharing. If you take a screen capture,
Share and reshare.
post anything on social media,
Let's extrude that up another 30 mil, 25 mil draft.
Who knows? There might be somebody out there who's a
And we'll take
3D CAD
one of those holes.
Your chance to let them know that there is a place for them.
Get that out there. Also looks what there's a counter bore.
Also, your weekly challenge.
48 through. Where's the counter bore size?
Tell one coworker about
80.
the channel. Walk up to a coworker who's working on some spreadsheets.
Going down 20.
And say to him or her, hey, you know where you can go every Monday?
Is that it?
YouTube.com/.
We're done.
Hey, you know, every Friday.
Tangent, 30 through.
Starting August.
That could be it.
Make sure you mark it on your calendar.
12:35 in the chat.
Let them know what we're doing here at youtube.com/.
35. All right. That would be first if we're correct. All right. Let's see how we went with the results. Fastest time was Ace. Well, I think we got Ace covered here.
So let's see. Rock Crawler in the chat. What's up, Rock Crawler? Good to see you in here again. All right, guys. Nice job, Ace. Very, very speedy. Let's move on to our next challenge here. It's you versus the chat. Who is the fastest in the chat?
Here we go, round 2.
All over the world, using all different CAD systems. Who's going to get this next one correct and the fastest? Here we go. This next challenge begins in 3, 2, 1, go. What is the mass of this part in XXX grams? We're borrowing some parts from the older tournaments here to get everybody warmed up for the upcoming tournament.
Maybe
This
yes.
part is an MNGS. It's ABS is the material. 10-20 kilograms per cubic meter. This is
Okay.
got a little bit of trickiness to it. Little bit of trickiness to this part. It's kind of tricky how it's dimensioned. Kind of tricky how some of the features are constructed. Take a look. Come up with a game plan. Think about what your starting plane and your
You got saying this.
profile are going to be. Think about where your origin is going to be. Think about how each of the features is going to be constructed. Okay, it's a little bit of a tricky part, a little trickier than it looks if you don't have a good game plan. If you have a good game plan, it should all come together nicely. Remember, you can visit us, toby.com/practice. 48 models on the practice page right now. It's more than
How big is it?
toby.com/practice.
Raise 15
Part is MMGS.
plus 30 is 45 gig.
Density is 10-20 kilograms per cubic meter. Tier 4 part called horn bracket. And the question is, what is the mass of this part in XXX grams? Take a screen capture. We're going to continue to move on with the discussion of the tournament.
Let's not do that.
So take a screen capture so that you can model this while we continue to talk. All right. Hope that's enough time. Let's continue here. The World Championship of 3D CAD Screen Modeling finals are going to be on October 18th.
Okay, looking good.
We're going to start out with pre-registration today. Registration is going to continue until August 16th. So you basically have 2 months to register. But don't dilly-dally. Get in there. Get your entry in there. Lock in your spot up top. We're going to have our round of 16 begin on October
What does it sit at the back? 10 mil?
Round of 8 begin on September 27th. And our final
How deep is it? It is 40 from the bottom.
Event. I'm very excited about that special live event.
Cool.
And that one's going to be at 6 o'clock p.m. East Coast. The rest of them are going to take place at
65.
1 East Coast. And all CAD systems are welcome in this tournament.
With 10-degree draft.
So the way the tournament is going to work is if you go to tutaltoby.com, you can actually see this already with
Wrong way.
our previous tournament setup. If you go to tutaltoby.com/tournament,
Okay, fillets.
drop this to the background there.
If you could imagine your ideal
Oh,
way of
ads.
working,
Oh
what
no.
would it look like? Monday.com can make it your reality. With Monday,
If you shake those windows too fast, everything just
And
Go
slot.
to tutaltoby.com/tournaments. You'll see kind of all the information about this tournament. You'll see there's an FAQ about what kind of things to expect, and you'll see some videos and some recognition of our previous winners. tutaltoby.com/tournaments. But if you go up to the very top of the browser here, the top of the web page, the navigation bars.
All right, we are done.
Navigation bar, there's a bar here for
117 at
Open.
38.25 in the chat.
Qualification process that we use during Spring Open. We're going to use a very similar qualification process this time.
What did I say?
So you're going to see here
38.25
in the
in the
process,
chat.
What we've got is we've got
Cool. Apply.
you know how to qualify, a little video there.
And
Pictures of the overall leaderboard rules.
Ace 37.45. Very quick. Nice one, Ace. Although maybe he was a gram off.
So, all right, Andy's got to go. See you, Andy. Thanks for joining us. And good luck on the rest of your Monday. All right, guys. We're seeing lots of answers coming in on this one. So let's take a look at answer number 2. Before we do this,
There we go. Answer number 2 coming up.
Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, share and reshare. Anything
Great job,
else,
Toby.
post anything on social media, take a moment,
Toby,
hit that
thanks for the
share
stream, mate.
button. It's a great way to continue to grow the channel. We've got more and more.
Gonna drop in some
here
thanks.
every week. We continue to grow the number of people in this live stream. So that's 126. Very nice. Surge. 131. I like it.
That's
All right,
That's
guys.
fun.
Let's see what is the answer to this one. 117 grams. Oh, yeah.
Nice one.
Yeah.
Congrats,
That
Ace.
looks like
Great
Ace
work,
is
mate.
gonna get a clean